Today, I'll show you how to edit stadiums on FC25. So begin by launching the game and then select the settings icon in the upper left corner. Then choose Edit Teams and select Stadiums. Now you'll have to choose the team that you'd like to edit the stadium for. So for instance, let's edit FC Barcelona Stadium. Select that. So from here you can choose which stadium you want them to play with. So let's say we choose this stadium, and then also you can enter the name of the stadium. So let's type in Camp Nou. And then once done, and once you're satisfied with the changes, press the back button and you'll be asked, are you sure you want to proceed? So apply and exit, and the changes will be applied. So that particular stadium will be used as the default FC Barcelona stadium in FC25. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and subscribe for more tips.